Siphume kulezo focus on the biggest thing. Siqaleka
singashayisana amadoda.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great.
It's the long trade segment.
The long trade segment.
Long trade segment. Another one. Yeah.
So, out here, ngiqale intro.
Obvious. The intro.
Izinto zama-intro
Okay, I think sanibonani, good evening, afternoon. Yonke indawo emhlabeni sitholakele lana. It's the long trade segment. We back again, you know. This is up. Igama usihle phethe James amrembula shito selimpopo yazi phethe yaseGauteng yazi bana so fine.
Hey, you what up? This is your boy TT, and now we're coming back to the live trade segment. Remember, this is the segment where we're talking, listening, sharing, laughing. If it's laughable, niggas. Oh, you all know you gotta laugh. I mean, that's the whole point.
It is what it is.
The point is to laugh.
It is what it is, man. Yeah.
So, tanganamta yipakashe.
Yeah.
Aspanako.
Yeah.
Stineni Mshai podcast.
Yo, man, it's been a while, man. It's been a while since it's recorded and stuff. Yo, Mara's busy. It's busy out here. I don't wanna lie. It's busy. Like, I think it was last year, 47. I call it.
Somewhere before December.
Yeah.
No kumula like yonke into le bengi-upload YouTube. Most is last year.
Last year.
Last year, yabo.
No, dude.
So this year in Share podcast one
Namachita, yeah, I saw you the other day about the literary and stuff. Yeah.
And then other than that, in Share 2 one and then kona manyama video and
yeah, you can also check us out like on YouTube. You know, Langtree Studio. So like it up. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, family and stuff. Thank you.
Yeah. So marathon like as you said, like it's been a while, umsebenzi nani. Bengifuna ukubuza nje. Like umsebenzi uphethe kanjani? Like ispan current job though.
Yeah, current job though, we should see it's a new field for me now, I understand. Like I have to explain that first to the people. Like ngiyaqala ukusebenza with things that let me just say in basic terms, it's a new field for me. So, but I've been good about the marketing, especially digital marketing. That's very good at. So, I was hired here. I would see Saturday I will take it to higher places. Digital, social media and stuff. So, to answer your question, it's pretty sharp out here. You know, it's gotta make ends meet. It's in particular, I can't complain.
Okay, if someone angabuza my auntie, kwenzakalani la?
Okay. First things first, ikamale business where we are here. Sekalela Kamazin and Glamour Coats. We sell Kamazin, we sell Glamour Coats. So it's Kamazin, just to explain further, Kamazin is a new form of paint. Well, and it's not really paint, it's more like a paste. You know, as you can see, the background. Yeah, these are the samples. Yeah, it's not really paint, but it's more like a paste that's mixing in color. So you get a paint that is paste that lasts forever. That you don't get to paint every year and stuff. You understand?
So depende ngaphandle phakathi.
Depende ngaphandle nangaphakathi. You can do it with interior, you can do it with exterior.
Damn.
So yeah, please come check us out. Now Facebook Instagram Sikalela Kamazin and Glamour Coats. Please guys, support the business.
It's still new, but so far, so good.
Well, yeah, we've been running the shop now for the shops is now almost 4 months, but we've been in this business for like 6 years now.
Wait, so Namanyama franchise?
Yeah, actually, it's an enterprise.
It's an enterprise.
Yeah, we have a shuttle service, transport we have a fleet, we have it's all like busy outside, busy. And the man we're trying to venture into property. So we are busy story for my student for students to stay. Student accommodation, student accommodation is busy now. savage nakuwe it's like space show space
ngiyacabanga from painting mayese sikhuluma nge-property sikhuluma nge-transportation
all this actually khona umshito engisebenzisana naye igama lakho uThembo Mkiba actually uye umshito engisebenzisana naye lana in the Galela Enterprise and he's the CEO mina actually I work under him he's my boss so so umshito uye kahle kahle ongifakile in this actually new way of thinking, new way of living because to be quite honest I mean professionally I'm tired of working for a white man
exactly.
I'm tired now I want to make
so that's what we're doing now. We're tired of working for the white man.
Nothing wrong actually if you have we know the case there but you just shooting me I've been having shitty jobs all my life the first time you know get a proper salary proper job working conditions are fine like I can't complain.
No, you feel like most like it was just took my 5 minutes walk so
I want to financial save. I don't get to save. I get to see the same people almost every day. You understand? But like location here too. Okay, then cause I'm like you see we junction it's like a mix of shops so at least we get like human traffic so that's why
not human traffic,
not human trafficking but human traffic, traffic kamba abantu lana and so and then I should see clientele events receive client so coming with warm arms you know like kumnandi when I go kumnandi ups and downs of business but you know
business
perseverance
so my in terms of like amachida companies like so far maybe let's say I can do like for this Spanish station next thing about amachida paying like okay maybe see to myself
you can say that again well I wouldn't say bounce on or bounce or what but the thing swing is you know like mom shit of it and you know last year I was selling Amakota and stuff so now niggas are like oh the heck this nigga said I don't know now I'm dog and I'm making the most you understand so I go to tell no see man so a lot of niggas would be against me but a lot of niggas man support I was especially on Simbani because they're big hustling I will Dallas Kuluma this is me this is a chance you understand. Yeah.
Am I right, please? I want to imagine if like more than support, I'm not really support at all.
I'd rather have no support than good fake love, surrounding fake love.
So my ending, that's it, dog.
Ending, the fam, dog. Fam doesn't have a choice, dog. This is my life, my guy. I won't want to keep. They don't have a choice. Let me just say, but I understand that. They know where I'm coming from, they know where I'm going. Yeah.
I'm not going to it's funny as that.
Which one?
The previous one.
They got that shop? The one
near the Springs.
I worked in Springs. Oh, the way I work in the Mutual?
B3. ¿Qué vas a vender mucha?
Yeah, hey, but what about the shop?
No, come on, not too much. Sometimes I wouldn't pour on
no, Jaya, my equal. It was a message you would see Nasu, this was me. And I phone Mutu thing, I phone Mutu. We should see, like, you don't. I've made it obey, like, I need to make a caution, but at the same time, I've made a result. Because you're working with dead people, and you have a born. So, good film when the families start crying and stuff, but like Tina, over 7 eventually you get used to it. Yeah, I understand.
So my like sometimes maybe I say to Mole again.
Yeah.
Out of banging and
nah, I would say like
I wish sometimes Wednesday would be okay, But then maybe the reason ulala kamnandi is because maybe mulala thole ukuthi udakiwe or lushayile.
Oh, nah.
More sober than
Bro, I mean, like, can I be honest, bro? I'm azange ngafitting now, like,
Next.
seeing all those day people like azange ngafitting. Let them show you, I've seen no more by no start at least aspiring. And so, I mean, I think I was hired because of my capabilities and stuff.
Yeah.
Because many of them like sing no bona abantu about three dead bodies in a day, bro. It can be a child, it can be a mom, it can so like it hurts. Somewhere I feel like this is someone's mom, this is but eventually because it's Spanish. When the first things first, it's Spanish.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's Spanish.
Emotions aside,
man. Got to do what it got to do.
Bro. So emotion. So okay, during the weekend, ngangeni izingadi. Ungabona izingadi.
It depends, Jaya. But on an average, a week, though, we can get like 7 bodies.
7 bodies.
7 bodies.
Damn, bro.
Sometimes even 3 a week. Yeah.
But uyicabanga khona abanye abantu aba-affected.
I haven't come across umuntu ema-affectayo, to be quite honest. Because the way things span now, but they were shy in Spain 7+ years, 10+ years, my guy, doing the very same thing. Like, it's a.
Why would you like most basebenzisa ama-drugs? Like babe, just at least maybe.
Snake is need problems. I thought others prefer to drink, others prefer to smoke. But at the end of the day, don't get yourself hurt. Don't lose your mind to the drugs. Don't lose yourself to the drugs or the alcohol. And so that's what makes me to the family outside. And so I take my responsibilities to work. Because at the end of the day, just because you see, okay, rather quit that job than the job was okay.
Yeah. If already so feel like it's toxic, man.
Yeah.
Damn. Yo, man, should do that. So bonega cool.
Hey, if I know I should pee.
I get him 7 years. Like,
oh, damn.
obvious, I'm telling her, don't keep the mother. When I'm like, yo, one day I came as a
No, damn. I've been working since 2012. Well, I didn't go to university. But after my trade, started working straight when I'm 18 years old. Fresh from high school, dog. Started working.
2012, bro.
Yeah, dog. It's 2024 now, so it's been 12 years. It's
You span. Working experience.
My CV, my guy. Shooting Shana Manyamana, yo.
2012 begins grade 7.
Neka! 7.
Somebody 7. Yo. I don't look that I call. I'm afraid.
I feel it down, you know, but.
Manje le ibonile lediza ka Drake no Kendrick.
Bullshit, dog. If you ask me, bullshit.
Well,
Drake knew, dog, he's not gonna win. I think when you start involving my family outside.
Yeah.
Right, so like you have to kiss my mom.
Yeah.
Right, so I my figure now for me talk.
Because for me, I'm gonna match my plan like live.
Maybe my plan good pass to say you know.
Oh yeah, there was an incident like
the past 8 months
yo, like now
you're one of those billionaires, multi-millionaires, bro. Like this parties, they are tools. Like I've never been one, but I feel like once you get a certain amount of money to a period, very gonna start exploring as easy thing. I feel like as a human being, there are certain things you're not supposed to know. But it's kind of weird history
so would you say it's better to stay poor?
No, get that money, but don't let that money control you, though.
Yeah.
There's a song that I think it's Black Layers. It's the man gets the money, or the man gets the bag. The bag should never get the money. The man gets the bag never gets the money. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. A little like
Man gets the money, but the bag shouldn't
get the, yeah, it's all like
bag.
that.
Yeah.
Kona siyahlupheka ukhamba and yabona sibuya khona uthi sisokola, but if you want, like, if yabona show you keep it easy, whether you rich, whether you broke, whether you keep it easy, but at least more rich, you know what's -1 financial problems. Okay, cover.
Yeah.
So and the abantu abaningi kahle vele financially bayakhawatheka, but otherwise ama free spirits, ama happy souls, but don't get that money out here. Ungenzi into
Yukubeza Tobi.
Yukubeza baba. Baba,
get that money.
Baba, season 4 baba, episode 2 baba. Lapha ku Franklin out here, Snowfall. Nigga used to get him.
Bruh. True.
Until the money got him in the end, he started drinking. Joe.
Begin to say about too much.
Joe.
Okay, peer pressure.
Yeah, so, but hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is.
Alright, is to subfusha kufana to unlike abanye abantu sibegive up. Lento yo give up like emhlabeni nasempilweni ayifuneki.
Kusiza mani.
Yokusiza mani.
It's like usesihogweni nje, you inhale. So lokho uyahamba ne. Usuke Springs, uyawalk. Boom. So usesihogweni, ziyakhala. Yabona kuyasha, people are panic and stuff. And so you also look at oh, you have to move. You have to move. No matter what, you have to move, dog. The kind dog, they don't understand why. For me, it's not a matter of trying to find myself or him. I'm trying to find the bag. I'm doing whatever is on Fagela Iman. But manje, the main focus is not the money actually. It's to build the portfolio. It's all about foundation phase. Okay, you've done this. With these skills on us, with this information that you have, when I can start your own company, you understand. Do you have to go back to school with studying it more? It's all about. Can you hire people? It's all now provide employment. I understand. So for me, but at the end of the day, yes, I should get the bag. But actually, I've worked in so many different fields. Putting down, no 17 spanner, mechanic, I'm shy. It's all about. So no matter what you feel, imagine shy, some kind of chest straight dog. I go when I'm come. I can't cry with you. I'm spanning, it's experiencing out of working since fucking 2012. Dog.
Imagine, bro. It's been 12 years or 14. 12.
Yeah, it's been 12.
Damn.
12
years working experience.
12 years working experience.
Yo, even if and at the same time, I'm sure, okay, maybe more income mine. 12 years into your name, it kind of feels like it's been like 2 years ago.
Oh, 12 years, it's a long time ago.
It's a long time ago, man.
I'm 18 now, sir.
Marapewu much.
Pusha, though.
Pusha.
Letting you show because I wanna giving up Ndona is never an option, will never be an option, should never be an option now, sir. It's all. As long as I get something to contribute or whatever, I'm supposed to make ends meet. I'm always a man, I'm a first things first, I provide a job. Yeah, I understand. So,
No,
no kid yet, dog.
No kid
yet, Jaya. Hopefully by the end of this year or next year, but I'm always saying, sorry to call her bastard, but she understands sarcasm now, so like she understands my name is like a bastard.
Already, so you're more than you. By the end of this year,
I'm 29, dog. I can't be a 35-year-old if it's I understand the but I'm 29. If I have the kid next year, I'm gonna do things. I'm in 50. What? I can't be dealing with a teenager, dog. Hey, bro, but you say late.
My fellow attend a meeting was a
number 2K lapho, number 2000. Yeah, it's all like him umdala. But you babsi bagay. Ngizitelela abantwana abancane. Dog. Ngithi ngiyahamba ngicrash ngithola bomeli lapha boma 2000. Yeah, yenda.
Lendeni bagweba wona njani.
Okay, bengimele financial stability. It's all. To be quite frank, though, I'm
have you realized, like, if financial stability, as much as Tina smell alive, I smell, I know.
You know what we tell the Kaleka guys told me about my CEO. We should see. He once told me we tell the Kularanjan job. It's for the good days. It's for the quality is understanding guys, quality is reasonable, quality is thinking guy. Yeah, it's all I She's like that's Mount Cheetah, we have a challenge, that's a challenge to yourself. We have Manga Teta into there. That's why you buy yourself a house with people, Manga Teta into there, it's all out now. It's I'm done. It's all Manga le moto le, Quatale, okay, don't you put into Zako lying outside. It's all and the mind you quality that's the man. You see, in order for you guys to be rich, you don't have to use your money per se. So like credits, my guy, credits, dog. Buy your income is quality. Take loans, never credit score talks a lot. It's a whole new level. The classic community, dog.
Recently, like classic community doesn't know shit.
Doesn't understand, dog. I want a hand, dog. A dope hand, I can ask you 45,000 only to find a credit score. I can teach him about 300. I'm asking if you call it, but. It's all like these people, they are not aware of that credit score. I am because that thing can like open certain doors for you. You have a business idea, you go to the bank, but that pay them big time. You know, the account level is a certain amount of money, and I don't want to support most part that. I understand. You want what? The meter? 1 million. You got it, my guy. Go do your business. Your business has use butter. Pay back the debt. You haven't used your money yet. You understand? You haven't used your money, dog. It's bad time. You want to make transport. I want to have a crash. It's bad time.
It's
bad time. When I saw bad time, you drive. 40. I don't mind. I want to have a crash. You haven't used your cash. Last for same time, I want to be bad time. The credit score goes even higher. The bank now can even loan you 5 million. That's how white people do it.
Mzila kwana bangi like party as in terms of phone manje. Yeah, I'm just store. You take your phone, yes, collect. The following day tomorrow, just part like this is my credit score. Like the month when you was next day, you score. Simple.
Debt I need to debt in Air Force.
Not material stuff.
Come on,
I'm assets.
Buy something.
Assets, investment, property, you know that. Again, I never thought like going to the credit score like we follow what?
From this guy that I work with, we don't find his score. Mashuti is a big brother, he's a mentor, it's all is the financial advisor at times when I need him.
Wait, so Leao is a branch manager or the owner?
He is the owner, basically. The father and surprise. It's all me. I just happened to see the early stages of it's all a foundation, the company is and it was like, dude, me now so it's all I'm not going to say I'm not going to say we're managing director, we CFO or what, but you understand, you play a very important role. You don't get to from the sales, from the matata pays, from the payments, it's all much. So as we grow, obviously, this is because I think in the next 4 or 5 months we're gonna open a new branch, like a new shop actually. Yeah, it's all we're gonna open a new shop. Don't forget, Kalela comes in Clam Coast, guys. Yeah.
You know the vibe,
You know
right?
the vibe. You just click on manje. Please come check out the shop.
You might think it's a
See
studio,
what you did.
candy snacks.
See what you did, ShopRite.
This is not a
Records
studio,
Garage.
it's a business. It's a company to be precise.
It's a company to be
Company.
precise. So
So-
right now we're in one of
So, like so far, nothing. Obviously, like this contestant,
yeah.
so far, like enjoying it one hour, like still it done.
Yo, mfana sithini dance bro. I mean, now tell me about creativity yakho down the ideas that you had with one shape before Jayam. You the one that would say, well, it's a level scheme. I understand that. Well, you as a creative, my guy, I'm killing it, my guy.
Eventually, it's a push, dog.
Sapusha dog, please check us out on YouTube. Langtray Studio.
This is the Langtray Studio.
Yeah, man.
No, it's on. I wish you tell now, God.
Yeah.
More use like utabangani ngalamajita wa like washiya abantwana next day.
My deadbeats.
Yeah, I'm a deadbeat father, bro.
Panama was raised by one, so fuck those niggas.
Fuck those niggas.
Fuck those niggas. No
Like-
disrespect to pops, but nigga, bitch, could have done better, Jaya. Could have done
But they
better.
didn't and they don't.
Yeah, damn. You know, Joe. Next thing the child becomes successful and video and nigga shows up. Mtanam.
Into the like uzopreka girl. Next thing yamba again. Okay, yeah, I'm moving great.
But because there was this post issue, speaking of my deadbeats, there was this post on Facebook. This guy is like, why njalo abantu couples ahlukana after they have a child? Omunye umchita answer, what's because now I have to decide between the lifestyle and the child. But now I get to choose the lifestyle. Right, so abanye amashita whether they are like
Lifestyle.
yeah. Machita choose to
Corner
keep the lifestyle instead of keeping the baby.
corner any line from Ice Cube. What's it? The fashion never change, even though you look so strange. It all start yani. Air Force
Yo,
yani.
man, but
Events
since this
yani.
day, man, we still
Now man,
Yeah.
it doesn't change.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Like back then the mood would be like kitchini, il pashini la na like akana mad. But now it's fashion. Now it's now yatura luchi.
That's true.
Little moshi bro. It doesn't change even though you look so strange. I mean, I see my they look so strange. My fashion
There's nothing new under the sun.
nothing new under the
Nothing
sun.
under the sun.
Like my area's views on it would like, okay, so if there's nothing new under the sun, since to make a difference or to make an impact or we are pedestrian so
I take it as if you like I wouldn't say like simulation and stuff. I'm going to do like my conspiracy. But I'm telling you, Zakara. Like I don't understand. Okay, I understand where I want to be in life in the next certain few years and stuff. But why, Joe? I didn't ask to be here.
you didn't ask to be here.
So much why
In the
like
first
somebody.
place.
You understand?
Like now, Paul, even if let's say you asked,
Yeah.
hours to doing that.
True.
Hours.
True.
Like you can
True.
like ungazama ukushela ugirl my athobe. The next thing Solomon out of the blue or someone
a coincidence.
or like something like coincidence or maybe someone they look like, you know what, when I get upumele with that video and like I curse you or come with nama chain possibly or whatever. Out of the blue even someone not be demand or up of a response or a bazaar or in Facebook next week or something. But then
Chusi, yabona impilo yami kasiyibona umfana ngoba first thing khona ba happy khona bangekho happy basically iyabalance there's rich and poor what's ne but in one whether you're rich every day khona la kumele basically every day usetha ama bars, you know, like usetha ama
I'm a benchmark. Like every day, like now we are checking that man. You set goals. You understand? That's what whether you broke, should see wonke umuntu une part kumele idlale.
Unama-goals, yeah.
That's what wonke umuntu une part kumele idlale. And kulawo ma goals, eventually you get to meet other people abacabanga njengawe. You understand? Then you venture into whatever you guys discuss and poo when you ask dreamwork makes the teamwork outside. You understand? You get so much that kabanga njengawe. Probably they don't even come from the same class as you are, because you know ukuthi abantu abahlala la uhlala khona abasupportani. I've seen that so many times. It's a norm now in the world.
So like must play nakat. Dali dangi right. Don't like mvumelana out. Don't like kumele sisha.
Right. So
Makumele shy.
like typical example. Temza is from Limpopo, guys. I've been suggesting to Yamachita, let's do this, assessing so. But Temza, all the way from Limpopo, was the guy that took me serious. Joba Sislas corner.
Mayenza ngathi abayibuki.
And so now we get to
Yakena
shooting away zona. And so we're growing though.
Yakena mkazo yini mojo kanjalo, like when you say abanye abayibuki nani i-episode yethu yokuqala ne. Okay.
That was fun.
I made sure like I made things right. Like from the intro.
No, man.
Now I'm telling the intro layer, first episode. It's a span na man. Mara, if like you are a loyal fan, a true fan, uzobona like lo muntu lokudala khona. Nini intro mara i-video ayikho. Nini khona video from the very same intro. Well, like, don't think you connected.
I want to like me. I want to for me and was the best. Every time when you post it, the people will like, hey, it's podcast, where is this? But that's like I said, I want to support. It's all the people watch these things. People do go on YouTube, but I never like it. The person will be like, hey, Tony, Bonnie, podcast. I'm like, hey, why can't you share and like it? So I can subscribe, though. It's just what me. But if in the straight beef, what. Download the song is like
sometimes I'm like 1 minute like the podcast even I'm a guest into it. Or like maybe let's say I'm tired session no quest. No quest. I can't we don't need celebrities, bro. We're doing our own thing now. Where like you might feel like maybe you are a guest. Sometimes you're not a guest. We family.
You've been there as an interviewer. That's all you youngsters. Now at the very same time, youngsters as a guest.
Exactly. It's not be like, okay, I've got a new guest. You see, what. No, we family. We pushing this together.
And they say a pusher.
Eventually to a point where like mostly more cover marriage. So it's like
I share a party, man. Share a party, you can pay a session price, man. My boy.
Just like that, dog. Last question.
Yeah.
Last question. According to it, who is the king of Amapiano?
I want to wish from my perspective. Okay, the first things was clear inside the group. I don't have piano songs on my phone, I don't stream piano, or hip hop playing. But above me, piano. If I producer, okay, producer, I'll choose a vocalist. Producer, I'll say I'm doing TRP. Do TRP, but I'm training for me now. Do TRP, scope sakhe down. And so, piano for me, I need piano. I need some money much that. But then, who my vocalist outside? Don't you use this kid? Don't you use this kid? Don't you know this lady, man? July, what you saying? Don't you who? It's not Daddy Wong, the other one. lokuthula nje kodwa
Okay.
no umshida
Set3.
Set3 yawa
Okay, shout out to Set3.
mina ntanga that's the dream of amapiano but yazi nama gatekeepers amvalele umshida I understand amchilasa but yeah.
Okay, so far I think we will Set3 okay vocalist. Do TRP no cabs.
Hayi man,
Which one
goes
goes
to man. Still going to do. Ukabza phethu uyayishaya into yakhe. Yazi ukabza wini phethu. Ukabza ngamthatha. If I had to like compare him to someone, it's a ukabza ngasho ukuthi is the Dr. Dre. It's all of amapiano. He got there in the building stages, in the foundations of amapiano. He was there. I understand. And uyayishaya now. I'm not discrediting. Yeah, I'm not discrediting him. Okay, so it's like if you are a man who Dr. Dre, now and ask for pay. Who's already that to me? He's gonna give you very the Dre vibe, man.
Yeah.
So on that beat. But don't do TRP will to change what basically do TRP innovative the way I'm actually done. And so let's call it piano. He added his own elements. He added this, he added that. And so got probably school position, but it's still piano though. And so it's like a micro dog which to shape piano la belum. Get what electronic and why people fuck with that shit.
Yeah.
I understand. Nigga was making mine, so this is easy to let it down. And so we need to take it into consideration. See, now what as I'm an outsiders looking in, that's how I see it. Yeah, I understand. Kabza, yeah, which is the goats and everything, but I'm 2 TRP man. But I'm 2 TRP is the one who came with the long run.
Okay, yeah. Laughing at understand.
Like the long
Okay,
run.
so
Piano man change because of that.
okay, so it's like Umdu because he's the first guy who created what's popular with
Basically, yeah, it's a cabanga yazi lento leyifana nanta. Yabona in a company ne like they should be on production, this distribution, ne. But indana must have an ecosystem where you make whatever you're selling. It's all from scratch.
Yeah, man.
Distribute it yourself. Sell it yourself to the public. So we enjoy that. You understand? Basically now it's like you have an idea in a selling to someone, now you can sell it to anyone. You know, it's like the first sliding phone, the Samsung, but sold that idea to every phone that was there. You understand? It's like, okay, Coke, they'll never copy Coke, they'll never get the recipe Coke. It's like, Jay, whatever idea you have, but I like, yeah, like my apps. You know, like my apps are money, I find, they're like, oh, the same thing, nah. Because I'm a cheater, like I tell you, so that thing which make ecosystem basically that program there's some shit to start a program we want something else to create something else that into therapy utole nestulo yena uthatha lestulo wenza camping chair simple
it makes sense like okay he's the first person who combined it like my element what to a point where my assessing is in the club.
Exactly, though. It's because of him. So every nigga in the piano game owes that nigga a certain percentage of money. It's like the Abon cheater. I think like if they look at me or intellectual property, nigga should be a billionaire by now.
Look, I'm sure if I'm sure that piano like
yeah, it's a few.
It's a few.
But you know, guys, Snapulumba Kudu, namhlanje sicela ukushiyalana, you know, something yana small, something in the Kamazin land, you know, Kalela Kamazin and Drama Codes, that's where we're shooting today. Spongu Tepo Kiba for allowing us to, you know, sing our yaki, I mean, we're gonna, at the end of the episode, we're gonna show you who's got Tilang and my brother, give you his contact details. Facebook, what on.
Danko, so just like that, we out.
Land Trade Studio.
Peace out. Motherfucker.